There are a lot of companies in the growing hemp space, and it's kind of hard to tell who you can trust. And today we are taking a tour and getting the ins and outs of Modern Herb Co's new expansion in North Carolina. And Derek, the production manager, is going to show us all the ins and outs today. Let's go.
All right, welcome to the Fill Lab. This is where the magic happens. So right here we got our iSpire cart filling machine. This thing's a beast.
So what does this do?
So this actually just fills our 510 carts, which is like our standard, just run of the mill. You can put it on any kind of screw-on battery. It's the 510's the threading. Basically, we got this thing preloaded. It's gonna push a needle in through a silicone seal, inject the cart, and then it's gonna come down and seal it as it goes. We just hit start.
Oh, let's watch.
And now it's in action. And so while we're running this, what we're trying to look for is any kind of weird viscosity issues. So like, are we seeing bubbles? Are we seeing like bad breakout? Those are the kind of things we're trying to monitor during the run. Or are we seeing like low fills?
And then what is breakout exactly?
Breakout is when the oil gets fizzy. It generally can be related to like decarbing, which would be overheating.
Okay.
Or it just wasn't blended properly. And so these are the things we want to notice like right away before we finish a whole run.
Right. How long does this process take?
So per strip, it's roughly 6 seconds per cart. So there's 16 in a strip. So you're looking at roughly 90 seconds. We do batches, in the thousands. So it's an all-day process.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Okay, the other thing is with bubbling. Why do I not want bubbles?
It leads to leaks in the carts. So that's the big
Okay.
issue. When we have like pressure differentials in there, it can cause the oil to be forced out into the wick, and then we can get leaking issues. So that's really the biggest issue. For the consumer, you're not necessarily gonna have any problems if there's like bubbles in your product.
And this process helps keep that from happening so that I don't have to deal with any leakage.
Really, it's proper setup. So making sure your oil's at temp. So we want it at least 52C, ideally 55C if we can get it there. So you want it nice and warm so it flows really well. You want it to settle properly.
Yeah.
So there's some things the operators can do ahead of time to make sure we're not causing breakout issues while we're filling.
After this is done, where do things go next?
And once the order is complete, sits for 24 hours before we go to QC. And the reason we have it sit is if it's gonna leak, we generally will notice it within the first day.
Oh,
so if
nice.
we tried to pass it right away, they haven't settled properly, and it's not a good QC method. So and I'll show off our new equipment here. This is our,
awesome.
our DDS filling our new syringes.
This machine looks a little crazy. What's going on here?
This jig here is set perfectly, so when you put the product in there, the computer knows to go to each unit and then fill them. So it's pretty simple.
And what is the difference between each machine we just took a look at? When would you use this one versus that machine?
Yeah, so the iSpire machines specifically work with iSpire hardware, which is a proprietary hardware. They're all bottom fill, they're inverted when you put them in, and then they're pierced and injected in a mold, in a silicone mold.
C-Cell product is your top fill.
Yes.
And are you guys moving in that direction, or?
Yeah, so we've been working with iSpire for a long time. Great company, good products, but we've decided we want to go for like the Rolls Royce of hardware, and so we're moving on to C-Cell now. They've been around a lot longer. They have a lot more, background in their engineering and things, so we feel like it'll be better for the customer in the long run.
So we just filled. Now what do we do for the post-fill process?
So after filling, like I said, it sits for 24 hours and then comes on this way towards our QC lab.
Ooh.
So come on down, show it off. All right, welcome to QC. So our main man here, Mr. Thomas. And
Hi, Thomas.
he actually will inspect every single unit by hand, one at a time, and
Oh, that's amazing. So I know it's checked by someone individually.
it's physically hand checked by an individual.
By
single
Thomas.
unit. By Thomas.
We met the
here.
man.
But what he's looking for are low fills, hardware issues, leaks, cracks. Foreign matter can get in there sometimes, which is rare but does happen.
His check process ensures that none of that happens. So when I get it, it's all.
Yeah, so he will check each unit, making sure there's no particulate, no low fills, no issues with the hardware. And then after he's completed inspecting it, he'll do a final sign off. Any ones we find, we pull and get rid of.
Okay, so each one is Thomas certified.
Yes, 100% Thomas certified.
What happens if it doesn't pass QC and it's not Thomas certified?
Yeah, so in those instances, if it's still good to consume, safe to consume, we actually have a free Friday. So we hand out to all our employees. So
Free Friday.
we look forward to low fills.
That's good. That's amazing. Then I'll come back on Friday. Do you like my fourth wall breaks?
Yeah.
Now it's gone through filling, it's gone through QC, it's all approved. It makes its way out to the packaging floor. So we're currently in the process of putting all our various cover labels that are required by certain states. So
Okay.
these have actually already been packaged, and so they're getting
Can I
their
see
various cover labels and things put on there.
That looks nice.
That's pretty fancy.
Pretty fancy schmancy. What's this on the side?
So it's a little push button so you can actually open it, but it's got a child safety feature.
Oh.
So you have to push the button in and then pull.
Okay.
So it's like our child safety lock.
Oh, that's awesome. So are these products that get packaged going to retailers, or are they going straight to customers like myself?
It's actually both. So we'll put DPs, which is a display pack, which is made to like display in your store, and we'll sell those to like distributors, various customers. But the individual unit, you as the customer can go on our website and order.
Or I'll just take it right now.
It'll be hand packaged.
So what's going on here?
So these gentlemen right here are applying what are called VDLs, which has our COAs, all the information for serving size and what's in the product on the label.
Oh, so through that QR code, I can go and see the quality of my product.
100%, yeah. And it's all fully transparent.
Oh, amazing. Does everybody do that?
No, that is not an industry standard. That is something we've adopted. So we just believe in full transparency with our customers and a clean product. All right, well, I'm gonna take you guys down to where the customers actually get their product shipped from.
Okay,
So now
that
it's been
final
packaged,
packaging process.
It's been QC'd by packaging, and now we're working our way down.
So now we know at this point that everything is good to go, it's ready, it qualifies to the standard that we're trying to achieve, and it's ready for the customer.
Yeah, and it actually, so we're kind of overkill with QC. So even after we have Tommy sign off on it,
Yeah.
then it goes to the packaging floor. We have a packager that does QC at the end to make sure the packaging is compliant, that it's all nice ready for the customer. But then it comes out to here, and this is where we pull all your orders from. And not only that, it gets QC'd another time by the person pulling the orders. So
my
we have
goodness,
many stages of QC.
That is a little overkill, but a good thing to have.
Yeah, and you know, things do happen, things slip up, so it's good to just have these multiple checkpoints. Well, that concludes our tour. The product speaks for itself, but hopefully now you can be a little more confident in purchasing from Modern Herb Co.
Woo! Bye!